In this video, I will show you how to create a Facebook page. And if this video does help you out today, please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video, and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. With that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So I'm currently on facebook.com. So what you're going to want to do is of course log into your Facebook account, and then you're going to want to come to the left hand side to this menu. So from here, if you actually scroll down the menu, you're going to see a section called Pages, and of course this is the one you're going to need to click on. Now, if you've got any pages, this is going to bring up your current pages in the middle, and what you're going to want to do is come to the left hand side and you'll see actually a button to create a new page. So what you want to do is go ahead and give that a click, and then from here you're just going to go ahead and enter some basic information about your page. So things like, for example, your page name. And then you want to go ahead and put the category of your page. So what this means is basically what your page is about, what it kind of fits under. So if you were talking about dogs, you would put like pets, something like that. If your page was to do with technology, then you would put technology, and so on and so forth. Next, what you want to do is just enter a bio, which is basically telling people a little bit about yourself, what you do, and what your page is all about. So once that's done, you can actually come across and add things like a picture, but the first thing you're going to want to do is click the blue create page button down here. So it's come up with a message, and this is only because I've already got a page set for Tech Tutor, so I'm just going to go ahead and change this to something slightly different, and then click the create page button. So what's going to happen, it's just going to take a minute or two to go through and get that up, and what this is going to do is now take you through a bit of a step-by-step tutorial to set up your page. So what you can now do is go through and add further details like your website, phone number, email, location. Also, if you're like a business, you can put your opening hours, and you can just go through and basically set this page up and add things like a profile picture. And once that's done, you are ready to go and will have your page set up. So this is basically a very basic tutorial on how to create a Facebook page. Obviously in the future I will be looking to do more in-depth tutorials about Facebook pages. But if this video did help you out today, then I'd really appreciate it if you did leave a like on the video and considered subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.